Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone POCO X6 Neo. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.67-inch Full HD plus punch-hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 88.9% screen-to-body ratio, 1000 nits peak brightness, approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6080 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB shared micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.1 by 75 by 7.7 mm, and it weighs around 175 grams, and the color options Astral Black, Horizon Blue, Martian Orange colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and USB Type-C charging port, IP54. Dust and splash resistant, and with infrared remote control. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi POCO X6 Neo has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 15,999 Indian rupees, and around $192 and 53,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, and around $216 and 59,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this POCO X6 Neo smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.